Hi everybody, I completely forgot to film an intro to this very easy get ready with me video. If you want to see the look that I created, stay tuned. I'm just going to put a little bit of primer on my face. It's still flaking a little bit from the chemical peel that I had last week. Gosh, I swear some days I'm getting Alzheimer's because the words just don't come to me. It's scary. Still a little bit of flaking from the chemical peel. But overall, I think my skin looks pretty darn good. I know it's a little red now because I just touched it. And I'm using the Dior Dream Skin Cushion Foundation. I think I wear it in the shade 20, but everything will be in the description box. I just like to buff it on. So as you can see, it's a very light coverage foundation, but that's right up my alley. That's what I like. I feel my skin is pretty clear, so I much prefer just to have a light foundation. I just find the full coverage foundations, I don't like how they feel on my skin. And I'm just gonna prime my eyelids before I powder. This is just a very simple and quick makeup look that I'm creating today. I'm just sticking around home, so it's just very basic. I'm going to do a light dusting of powder with the Hourglass Mineral Veil. I love this powder. It just takes the tiniest amount. I'm using my It powder brush, and I just like to gently press it into the skin. And then I just add a little bit more. It's easier to add than to take away, so that's why I just like to work with little bits. So that is that. And now I'm going to do my eyebrows using the It Universal Brow Pencil. Wow, I'm looking at my magnifying mirror and I am really peeling today. Today is what? Wednesday? So Saturday, Sunday. I'm about 4.5 days out from my chemical peel, which I can't remember if I told you or not, was a very pleasant experience for me. Not sure when I'm going to stop peeling, but really like that eyebrow pencil. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just use this Bobbi brown brick. It's a blush highlighter all in one. Using my Tom Ford brush, and I'm just gonna swirl it around in there. And then I'm just gonna go over my cheekbones, and then I like to make a little backwards C. I always just like to make a C or an apostrophe around my eye whenever I do my blush, just because my face is round. I just find that it just helps to slim it a bit. So I'll do the other side. I really like this brick because it wears really well on my skin, but also it's kind of subtle. It's not very obvious that I'm wearing it. You can really build it up, which is what I like. So that is that. And I just wanted to mention too, I have in the past used this as eyeshadow. So actually what I'm going to do before I put this away, I'm just going to take this MAC brush, and just the very tip of it, I'm going to dip it into the white at the top. And I'm just going to sweep very gently under my brow line, just to highlight it a bit. And for my eyes, I'm just using the It Naturally Pretty palette. Like I said, very basic look today, so I'm just going to put Imagine. That's the first one here, and I'm just putting it on a flat brush, and I'm just packing it all over my eyelid, the part that moves, and then up into the crease. And if you get a little bit in the corner, that's okay too, because it highlights there. So I'll just show you my eyes. Please excuse my peeling. I didn't think I was this bad, or otherwise I would not have filmed a video today. I'm gonna do the other eye, but I'm trying to film 4 videos today because I am leaving tomorrow to go to my daughter's. I'll be gone for a couple of weeks. I will have some videos going up in that time that I've already filmed, but we are going to be spending a couple of days in Toronto, so I thought it might be fun to bring you along, and I would do a vlog. So I hope that you enjoy that. And then using the Kat Von D brush, I'm going to go in to Dream. It's a very, very light pink, I would say. And I'm just going to go in the crease and a little bit above it, just to give it a little subtle hint of a shadow. So yeah, my daughter is in her very last posting before she graduates in June. She is going to be a doctor, so they have to do clerkships, and she's in a remote location. She's feeling a little lonely, so I said that I would go and visit her. It was only supposed to be for a week, but somehow I ended up getting staying for 18 days, so I'm gonna try and do some videos while I'm there, but because I have to fly where she is living, it's kind of hard for me to bring a lot of stuff with me. So that is that. And I'm not doing any eyeliner. What I'm going to do is I'll put my lip liner on. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Now, if I wasn't talking, I could do this in probably 5-10 minutes. And I'm just going right on the edge of my lip. And I just do, I call it the seagull. It kind of looks like a bird flying. I'm not doing to the corners, just like right here, down the Cupid's bow, and then back up. And then underneath, I'm just doing the very bottom. And then I'm gonna color it all in now. But I don't line to the corners. And this lip liner, it goes on so easily. You can see like I barely am working at putting it on. It's very creamy. Nothing worse than a dry lip pencil. I'm gonna fix my hair and I'll be right back. I forgot to put on my mascara. I'm still using that Lash Blowout by It to use it up. I had my hair cut yesterday and I don't like how she styled it. She flat ironed it, so not looking like myself. And I just tried to put some spray wax into it to change it, but I guess the way I slept on it, it's really flattened out, so I'll have to wash it tonight and fix it better. I find this mascara is really dry. So then the next thing I'm going to do while my mascara dries, put on my lip color, and this is by Dior. It is a lip balm. Wore this on my cruise. I have 3 of them. This is number 7. I think it says raspberry. That's what it looks like. I noticed I got a little bit of mascara up here, so I'm just going to take the tip of my brush and brush it off. Then I'm going to set it with the setting spray. And last but not least, you know how I love my perfume. And that is it. I really like this foundation. Once it sits for a few minutes on your face, it really looks like my skin. I am really loving it. Not loving my hair today, but liking my skin. And especially after the chemical peel, it really looks smooth now. Now that I'm not looking into the magnifying part of my mirror. And I'll just show you the mirror that I'm using. I did a review on it. It is the SimpleHuman Trio. Absolutely love it. It has the 10 times magnification built in on the bottom. And I've only charged it once. So that is my stay-at-home easy makeup look today. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to go check out my chemical peel video. And also, if you aren't subscribed, I hope that you will click that subscribe button and the notification bell, because I will be starting in the next couple of weeks a series on skincare. I still have to put the finishing touches on it. I would hate for you to miss that. Let me know in the comments section what your favorite go-to foundation is just for easy everyday look. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.